Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just to annoy your friends. Sneezing is your body's superhero move to clear out irritants like dust or germs. When something tickles your nose, a signal is sent to your brain, which then commands your body to expel the intruder with a powerful achoo. This reflex is so strong that sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Imagine that. Next time you sneeze, remember it's your body's way of keeping you safe and sound. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.